Queensland Winter Racing Carnival is finally here, and so are the best stayers looking for Group 1 glory. Don't miss the 2016 Group 1 Gold Cup final at Brisbane Greyhounds. Entry is free, so get together and head to the track for a glitzy gold-themed night with loads of entertainment. Join the Winter Racing Carnival Tipping Challenge for your chance to win a bonus $500. The 2016 Gold Cup final, Thursday, June 9 at Albion Park. For more info, head to brisgrays.com.